Hello. My name is Elvin and you guys are watching AccentOnCars. In today's video, we're gonna take my 2007 Mercedes E63 to a dealership for getting the gas leak issue addressed. I don't know if you guys have heard of this. If you haven't, then make sure you watch till the end, because all the E-classes from 2003 until 2009 were affected by a gas leak issue. And if you don't know what that is, basically Mercedes-Benz had some like parts issue leading to gas leaks in these cars, which means that you may feel a strong gasoline odor inside the car or outside the car, which usually happens right after filling up the tank. And if you fill it all the way up and if you drive in and you feel like a gasoline in the car, then your car may be affected, which was eventually seen as a hazard by National Highway Safety and Transportation Agency, NHTSA, I guess, whatever that abbreviation stands for. And they opened an investigation, and Mercedes-Benz looked into the issue, and they've extended their warranty on gasoline like elements like gas tank, sender unit, filter, and the gas pump to 15 years. So if you have W211 E-class and you guys feel that smell, definitely take it to the dealership while you still can, because the extended warranty is only for 15 years. After 15 years, then it will expire, and should you have this issue, you will have to get it fixed yourself. So, which means that if you have 2003, then the warranties has probably expired for you. My car is 2007, so I'm taken to the dealership to get the address. And by the way, there's good news for you, which is that if you fix this issue yourself, let's say you had this issue and you took it to an independent mechanic or somewhere and you paid for it out of your pocket, now thanks to this warranty you can submit for reimbursement. Google that, look into this. There is an information online on Mercedes-Benz forums. You can get reimbursed by Mercedes-Benz for the labor and parts associated with the gas leak and gasoline smell in the car. So yeah, we're gonna take it to the dealership. Otherwise, I would have taken to an independent mechanic. But because it's covered by Mercedes warranty, why not take it to the dealership and have them replace it with the original parts? And I should say that my car, yeah, I felt the gasoline smell in it. Definitely, of course, yeah, it smells so bad. Anyway, and the gasoline smell may come either, like I said earlier, either from outside the car or from the inside of the car. The gas tank itself is located under the car, like from outside under the car, attached to the, I think it's under the rear seat area. But over here, where the rear seats are, you can say I've removed one. On one side, there's a fuel pump. On the other side, there's a fuel sender unit and filter. So if Mercedes-Benz is willing to replace, the parts, most likely they'll replace both the fuel sender and filter, as well as the pump, and maybe even the tank. I'll let them decide. I'll update you later on what they said, and yeah, stay tuned. Before you guys assume that this is some sort of like a paid advertisement or something, I want to be very clear that it's not. In fact, this dealership maybe does not even know that I'm filming them. But Mercedes-Benz of Burlington over here in Massachusetts is one of the best Mercedes-Benz dealerships I've been to. There are like few around us, and by far Mercedes-Benz of Burlington is where I've had the most pleasant experience, and they have like also the cool Mercedes-Benzes, including new ones and old ones. So again, please do not assume that this is a paid advertisement or something. I'm just giving you my own personal recommendation, because I've been to other Mercedes dealers in Massachusetts and have had like an okay experiment, but this place always pleases me with their customer support and service. Right guys, we are at the dealership. We are pulling into the service area right now, and in a minute or so we're gonna find out if this car is covered by that extended warranty or not. I'm gonna go and talk to the service manager. Alright guys, just a quick update. The car got accepted. I actually brought it to the dealership and they we're more than happy to take the car. In fact, the service advisor, he just punched the VIN number in, and he checked and to make sure that the car was covered by that same Mercedes extended warranty that I mentioned earlier, and it is covered indeed. And he did confirm that pretty much all the E-classes qualify for that warranty. So if you have an E-class, make sure you get yours replaced. And I want to say that I was a little, kind of like, I was hesitant. I was thinking whether this is something that dealers love doing, or they are, they would be a little unhappy about this because this is just another warranty car coming in. You're not paying out of your pocket. But turns out that he actually was excited about me bringing the car. He even asked me if I had any other friends who had E-classes. And if I had, he asked me to also let them know of this warranty, so they bring it in and get it fixed. So I assume it's either because Mercedes is, taking safety seriously and they want us to be in good cars, or the dealership actually makes money out of it. Maybe they get reimbursed by the Mercedes-Benz manufacturer. I don't know. Either way, if you have an E-class, make sure you get yours replaced. And guess what? I got a loaner car. I got this GLB, which we are gonna cover in our videos in the upcoming days for sure. I'm really excited about being able to grab a GLB. I've driven GLCs, GLEs many times, and I've won a few of them, but never been in a GLB. So it's gonna be a good video. All right, thanks for watching.